Good evening all. Today I am going to present the business model Canva about Coinbase. This is Y-Combinator company which is leading a cryptocurrency exchange platform that was a part of Y-Combinator, and the Coinbase was founded in 2012 with the simple mission that is to create an open financial system for the world. It allows users to buy, sell, store and manage the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and அப்படிதான் இருக்கு.
அப்படி கண்டிப்பா ஒரு வார்த்தையே கிடையாது இங்கிலீஷ்
இருக்கா. என்னடா எப்படி டெலிட் பண்ணுறது? ரெக்கார்ட் அகைன். சரி, 12லேருந்து எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஓ, இங்கே தான் பிட்காயின் அண்ட் என்ன எத்தீரியம். பிட்காயின், எத்தீரியம். Good evening all. Today I am going to present a business model canvas about Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform that was a part of Y-Combinator. Coinbase was founded in 2012 with the simple mission to create an open financial system for the world, and it allows users to buy, sell, store and manage the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and in secure to user-friendly way. Let's break it down its business model canvas using 9 building blocks of business model canvas. That is, first thing is about customer segments. A customer segment in Coinbase serves a wide range of users, which is including the individual retail investors, institutional investors, traders and developers, and beginners who are new to crypto, and professionals alike use Coinbase due to simplicity and trust. Next is about the value proposition. That is, Coinbase offers the safe and easy to use the platform to cryptocurrencies and transactions. It is a key value lies in a security and regulatory compliance, that is user friendly interface. It removes the complexity often associated with the digital currencies also. So moving on to the channels, here the Coinbase reaches the customers mainly through the website and mobile applications. It also uses the digital marketing and partnerships and word of mouth to attract the users globally. And now the customer relationship is about Coinbase focus on building trust through the strong customer support, educational content and transparent policies also. Features like tutorial, learning rewards, which helps to understand the cryptocurrencies are much more better. Next is about revenue streams. Coinbase primarily earn a revenue through the transaction fees whenever users are buy or sell or the traders of cryptocurrencies. It also generate the income from the subscriptions, services and custody services for the institutions and staking rewards. Let us talk about the key resources are Coinbase are heavily in secure technology, infrastructures and blockchain integrations, which is a brand reputations and regularity licenses. Its skill workplaces in finance and technology is also the major assist. And now the key activities is about these things are include maintaining the trading platform, ensuring the security, managing transaction and complying with the regulations, continuously improving the user experience also. And next, moving to the key partnerships are here the Coinbase collaborators with the bank, payment processors, blockchain networkers, regulatory bodies. These partnerships ensure the smooth transactions and legal compliance also. And finally, one thing is about cost structure, and major costs include technology development, cyber security, employee salaries and compliance, marketing expenses, etc. In this conclusion, here the one more thing is about revenue streams. Here the Coinbase is primarily earn a revenue through the transaction fees whenever users can buy or sell or trade the cryptocurrencies also. It also generate the income from subscription services, custody services and for the institutions and staking rewards. And also transparent policies, features like tutorial and learning rewards, which is help users to understand the cryptocurrencies are much better. And also these include the maintaining trading platform, which is ensuring the security, managing the transactions, complying with the regulations, and continuously improving the user experience. These partnerships are ensure the smooth transactions and legal compliance also. In conclusion, Coinbase business model is built in the trust, simplicity, and security. By bridging the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrency, it has positioned itself as a global leader in crypto economy. Thank you all.